Hello everyone, my name's Ryan and I've decided to put together a little course on Minecraft modding for you. This first video here is just going to be about setting up everything and we'll go ahead and get started right away here. There's a few things you're going to want to download and all the links are in the description. So I'll take you through them right now. Oh, I already have it open. Alright, I suggest you update Java to the latest version also, but you're also going to want to get this Java JDK right here. So go to go in the description and go to the download, and it's right here. So download that and install it. Pause the video if you need to. Alright. So the next thing you're going to want is called MCP, which is Minecraft Coder Pack, and that's pretty much what you need solely to do this. So go to the description, find the link. If you scroll down here, the link's kind of hidden because there's these downloads, but these are for the snapshots. You're going to want it right here if you're in Minecraft 1.2.5, which is right now. But if you're in a later version, then download another one. But right here, just click that link, go to it, download the file, and then just save it to a folder and just leave it as is for now. Okay. The next thing you're going to want to do is get Eclipse. Eclipse is a Java programming program. So you're going to want to get that and just go to the link in the description again and just press the download button right here and install that. Alright, and then the last thing you're going to want is Mod Loader for Minecraft. So go to the link, and if you scroll down to the bottom here, it's Mod Loader 1.2.5. Download that, and then once you have all those files, we'll get ready here. Alright, so once you have all those, save them to a folder. Now, I suggest being very organized in all of this. So make a folder somewhere where you'll remember it and make it easy. So I named this one .00 Minecraft Modding because it'll show up at the top of my documents folder. So I would suggest saving everything in there. I already have everything installed, so not all my stuff's in there, but you get the picture. So after you install everything, you're going to have this MCP62 archive right here. So right click on that. I'm assuming you have WinRAR installed because if you're interested in Minecraft modding, then you've probably installed a mod in Minecraft before. So I'm not going to really delve into that too much. So just right click on this and do extract files. Alright, and then just press OK. Alright, so we're getting this MCP62 folder. Now, you can name this whatever you want to call your mod. So we'll call this, tutorial. We'll call it tutorial for now. Okay, and in here are all the files that we're going to need to start all this up. But we can't really use that yet. We're going to have to do a few things. So you've installed the JDK, and I don't know if this part is completely necessary or not, but we're going to do it because this is how I know how to do it. So click on the start button down here. Now if you're on a Mac, I don't really know how to do this, so just skip this part. It's not a big deal. Right click on computer here and go to properties. Alright, now you're going to want to go to Advanced System Settings up here. And right down at the bottom where it says Environment Variables, click on that. Now, within this list somewhere, you might already have it. Scroll down and find something that says Java. If you don't have it, most of you probably won't, then just press the New button right here, and this window will pop up. I already have it, so I'm just going to press Edit, but you press New. And then in the top one, just call it Java. And in the bottom one, type this. C:\program files /Java /JRE7 /bin. So just type that in, just like that, and press OK. And then you can just press OK and all this and exit out of this, and you're good there. Alright, so one of the things you need to start using MCP and modding Minecraft is you need fresh Minecraft.jars. So what you're going to want to do, an easy way to do this is if you don't know how to find your Minecraft.jar, you should by now, but I'll just go through it. Just type in %appdata % down here, and this roaming folder will pop up. And then it'll be .minecraft right there. So go in there, go to bin, and these are the files you need basically. But they might not be fresh. So just to make sure they are fresh, keep this folder open, load Minecraft, and where it says options here, press force update. Press done. And log in and wait for that to download. And then once that's downloaded, you can exit out and then go back to the folder. Okay, and inside this bin here, you'll have your fresh Minecraft.jar. Okay, So take this Minecraft.jar here, and if you have WinRAR and you don't have your default for jars set to WinRAR, then just right click and it should say open with and pick WinRAR. But I have mine defaulted so I can just double click on it. So go in there. All right, and then the next thing we're going to want to do is find where you downloaded Mod Loader because we're going to install it right now. So I go grab Mod Loader. All right, and then what you're going to want to do is just copy it and paste it right in here and press OK. All right, and then this Meta INF folder here, just delete that right out of there. Okay, now you're good with that. So these are all fresh. These are right where we want them. So go back to your MCP folder here, the one we call tutorial. And in here, you're going to see something that says jars. All right, and basically we want to go back to the Minecraft folder here. We're going to want to put the bin and the resources folder both in there. So copy those and paste them right in. And then just wait for that to go. And while that's going, we'll look down here. Once that's finished, when you go back into the tutorial folder, you'll go down here and you'll notice something that says Update MCP. Just double click that, and it'll open up this command prompt and wait for it to say something. Okay, and it found 2 files that need to be updated. So just type in yes and press enter and wait for those 2 to download. Okay, and then when they're downloaded, you're done with that part. So now everything's pretty much ready. So right now, what you're going to want to do is just double click this. It says decompile. On a Mac, I know this is completely different. I'm not exactly sure how to do it because, again, I don't really use a Mac, but look up another setup tutorial if you don't know how to do it. So just if you're on PC, just double click decompile and let that go through its process. And after this, we're pretty much done with the setup, really. There's not much involved in it. It's just really important that you do it right. So that's why I had to put up a tutorial for it, because I know I've tried many times and it didn't work. So I just want to make sure you guys do it right. And you'll notice while this is going, there'll be a few errors, but those are normal. If you even read it, you'll see the errors are just because we have Mod Loader installed and it's just not used to that. So that'll be fine. But yeah, I plan to do a couple videos here. Not really a couple, a few. But I just wanted to start off with this one. Next, I'm going to be coming out with a textures tutorial and adding a new block to Minecraft. Those are my next ones, and I have a whole bunch more planned. So just stay tuned, and you guys will get a full ride of modding tutorials here. Just hold on for this to finish. Yeah, right here, like I said, errors found when decompiling mod loader. And then it says right here, this is expected and is not a problem. So just don't worry about that. And right here, missing server jar file. Ignore that too, because we're not modding the server files. We're just doing single player mods, which I might do a multiplayer tutorial at some point, but for now, just keep it like this. Alright, so when it's done, just press any key to continue. Okay, so now we can open up Eclipse. So if you installed Eclipse, find where you installed it and run Eclipse. Okay, so right here in Workspace, this is going to pop up and you're going to press Browse. And then look through your files to find where you extracted that MCP folder we made. So I went to .00 Minecraft modding. So open that and then my tutorial folder right there. And inside the tutorial folder, you'll see another folder called Eclipse. Just click on that and press OK. And then press OK again. And then Eclipse will open here. And we are good. And there's going to be a few errors, but that's expected. Don't worry about that. So, yeah, now we're pretty much done. So you just, for now, just to get used to this, open up right here. It says client, press the little arrow. Open up where it says src, and down here, net.minecraft.src. And in here are all the default Minecraft files. So you'll see down here all the blocks, and down further we have all the items, etc. So we have everything that we need in here, and this is where we're going to be doing a lot of our work, right in here. But that concludes it for this tutorial. If you need to go back and watch, just go through it and make sure it all gets working. And in the add a block tutorial, we'll see if it actually did work. And I mean, I know it will work, but just make sure that you guys are all on the same page so we can get this done here. But all right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.